Pop? This is Darian. We're back again for another video. This time I need to do a little background on it. So, my wife, his mom last week, I decided to put up some lights on the porch for her. And you'll see a picture of it in a second. But she asked for it. So she decided to put this post up. And as you see, it says, I asked Ben, that's Pop, for ceiling fans out on the deck every year. This year he listened. Well, kind of. He heard, install more lighting. I'll take it. Heart, heart. Well, you know what? You did ask for lighting.
Hey, Mom. You asked for it.
Here's your ceiling fan. You asked for it.
That's great.
Go sit in your chair and enjoy your fan. And nothing.
You're a smart.
She asked for it.
Now, I don't recommend doing that at home. We're professional dummies.
Yeah,
so-
professional dummies. We took it down. It's down now. It's gone. It's not going to fall on anybody, so don't cancel my homeowner's insurance. But we just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. As far as pranks go, goofs go, we like to keep it nice and neat. I'm not trying to hurt anybody out there. If you enjoyed this video, Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We're going to have a video or two out every week, I hope. Mr. Editor. Uh-oh. And there's all sorts of information below this video, and see you again next week.